今日でシアトルともお別れです。今フェリーに乗ってます。これからベイブリッジ島に向かうところです。
Commercial and retail building and all of these buildings are very, very energy efficient and built to LEED standard. This site, in general, this project has a very good story because this site used to be a place where they stored old junk cars, and since the 50s, 1950s, and so part of the process was to improve the water quality from the site and to recycle all of the old car parts. As the architect, I was very challenged by this project because it had a very, very tight budget and also very, very tight budget and also very aggressive schedule. And I'm very proud of this building because we pulled it off, and I think it turned out very well. And so the process for permitting a space like this, we actually designed and permitted and built the building and the structure first, and then found a tenant for this, and then permitted the interior separately from the building. We did the design of the building without actually knowing who the tenant was, and then we permitted the building separately, and then once we found a tenant, then we did the design and permitting for the actual tenant, what we call tenant improvement.
It's about creating a beautiful boutique for all natural cosmetics and skincare.
Please explain.
So from here you can see the whole house in one piece and how different it is about the texture of the concrete, and why is it smooth and rough wood texture. The owner lost his wife and suffered grief, and was hoping this house would be an important part of the healing process. I used this as part of the concept in the house. And the way it's illustrated in the house is that the house is basically in form two basic components. One is a big solid L-shaped concrete wall, and the other is a big wooden box. Now imagine at one time the wooden box was protected by this big concrete wall, like it was nested, but the force of this grief has actually caused the process of overcoming the grief, I should say, is one of pulling away from the shell, but always pain will leave a scar. And so this texture is to remember the scar to remember the experience of healing by moving the wood box away to create the opening so you can enter. Right now, the stair was made from a tree that was taken from the site.
Yes, steel sides. Yeah, of course hidden.
Yeah. Well, it seems like once a mailbox is targeted, that it's targeted for life.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah, for us, life.
You should know the owner lived in Kobe for about 8 years and speaks a little Japanese and hired me because of not only my sustainability expertise, but also because I also love Japan, and you will see some elements of Japanese design and style in the home as well.